we have talked about the differences among our three kinds of pistons. And today, let's dive deep into one of them, the 程序 custom-made fabric reinforced rubber piston.
The rubber used Japanese JSR 220 nitrile rubber, and the carbon black is made from American cobalt raw material. It adopts one-piece molding and vacuum injection molding, with coaxiality strictly controlled within 0.01 millimeters. The average service life can reach 30,000 to 40,000 cubic meters.
After 2 episodes of sharing, guys, still unsure which one to pick? Contact us now for advice soon.